Pushrod Fury. Some refurbishing, not restoring, just refurbishing the instrument cluster on the RD400, and a lot of the bulbs were missing or blown out. But 3 of the bulbs were still operational, so I left them in there, but I'm going to remove them because these bulbs were, there's, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you need 7 bulbs. It's 3 packs of light bulbs from the auto store, and it's like $21. But for the same price, you get LED bulbs from Revival Cycle. And what's really nice is they're color coded. I'll show you here, because they're kind of bright, I'm told, or at least they claim. And so they color code them so you know what color they're going to be. But these are all over here. We've got 2 speedos and then like the stock light for the high beam indicator. But I wanted to show you the difference in the intensity on these bulbs. I'm not using it. But can you see that? Let's see. Ready? I don't know if it's easy to tell or not, but anyway, the LED work. I use up less wattage, and hopefully that's a good choice. I'm going to remove the stock high beam. Oops, you can see here I've got the replacement, so that'll go in there. I'll put the part number and link to these guys in the video description. Let's just check one more time. Oh look, there's the blue. There's the white. Alright. You can see my gauges aren't the prettiest, so I just wanted to get them functional. I'm not sure about the whole idea of full-blown restoration on them, but let's see. Wow, that is nice. Look at that, nice crisp blue. And hey, a nice green. That's kind of funny. Okay, so I painted and kind of reshaped and then painted it. I put the indicator bulbs in. So we've got the neutral, oil light, and turn indicators. The ignition switch goes back in, and there are these funny little washers and 2 screws. So that's all going to get tightened up. Got my new Vessel GIS screwdrivers, which are worlds better than the cheapos I got from the cheap JISs I got from Amazon. And these are just like they lock into the screw. There we go. So got that together. In like that, and you can see I need to put a damper in there. goes on. These screws are a little janky, so I'm going to hit those with a polishing cloth or something. A little bit of steel wool, looks good. I'll show you that, just steel wool and a screw. Good. Anything from over tightening on the plastic. Okay. So we're not going to put the instruments in until we get new gaskets, but we can still mess around with this. So let's see. Knock any hardware off. So let's see what the turn signals look like. Put the positive. See that? The right turn signal, left turn signal. They look great. Okay, turn the power off. We'll get back to it.